In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and animate stickers in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, get your sticker file ready. For the cleanest edges, use a PNG with a transparent background. That transparent layer is what lets the sticker sit naturally on top of your footage without a boxy outline. If you're creating your own, export it as a PNG, and if you're downloading, double check that it lists transparency. Aim for a decent resolution, something large enough to look sharp without needing to scale far above 100%. Open your Premiere Pro project and import the sticker. The quickest way is to drag the image straight into the project panel. You'll see it appear alongside your other assets. If you like to stay organized, you can drop it into a bin so you can find it easily later, especially if you're using multiple stickers. Next, place the sticker on the timeline. Drag it from the project panel onto a video track above your main footage, like V2 or higher. If it's on a lower track than your footage, it won't be visible. Position the clip on the timeline where you want it to appear and trim the ends to control how long it stays on screen. If it suddenly disappears, check that the track is enabled and not hidden. Now resize and position it. Click the sticker clip to select it, then go to Effect Controls and Open Motion. Adjust scale to make it larger or smaller, and use position to place it exactly where you want in the frame. You can also click directly in the program monitor to drag the sticker around, which can feel more intuitive. Keep an eye on the edges of the frame so nothing important gets cut off, and try not to push the scale too high if it starts to look soft. If you want to animate it, this part is optional but powerful. In Effect Controls, toggle the stopwatch next to Position, Scale, or Opacity to enable keyframes. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to start. Set your first values, then move the playhead again and change the values to create the motion. For a pop-in, set Scale Small at the first keyframe and bring it to 100% over a few frames. For a slide, start the position slightly off screen and move it into place. For a fade, change opacity from 0 to 100 and back down if you want it to fade out. Right-click keyframes and choose Ease Options for smoother movement. That's it. Import, place, adjust, and animate. Play it back to review and tweak until it feels just right.